Hello everyone. So today we are going to draw a very beautiful and easy landscape. Okay. So first I'm going to draw a circle. Okay. I'm going to draw a circle, a little bit bigger circle so that it look good. Okay. It's a moon. Night scene we are doing. Okay. Circle, and then see, it's very simple. I'm going to draw a line from here, small line, then curve from here and a curve from here. Now curve line like this. Okay, now I will make this a rock shape. Okay, very big rock. Just rock shape. Okay, then it will become like rock shape. And your drawing is over. So I'm going to do the coloring now. Okay, it's very simple. See, first color I'm going to do black color. Okay, on the top I'm just going to do the black color. Just I'm doing the black color. Okay, it's very simple. Okay, and after black color I'm going to use the dark violet. Okay, after this I'm going to use the dark violet. I'll blend the black with the dark violet. Okay, we'll do the black proper, means I will blend the properly with the violet, dark violet color. And dark violet number is D104. Okay, dark violet color, then dark violet. Okay, now I'm going to use the violet color. Okay, violet. No, use the light violet. Okay, after dark violet use the light violet, it will look good. Properly. Okay, properly just blend, don't leave any white dots like that. Okay, blend the black also with this so that it's mixed smoothly. Now I'm going to use the rose pink, little bit. Rose pink, and now I'm going to use the light violet again, but with the light pressure. Now I'm going to use the orange color. Okay, I'm using vermilion hue, just blending the violet color like this. Nights in orange color means almost it's going to be night. It means evening time. Like that. When sun is just going to down like that. Okay, see, going to be set. So now after orange color, now I'm going to do the deep yellow. Okay, deep yellow, D110, deep yellow. And after deep yellow I'm going to use the medium yellow. And then the lemon yellow. And now I'm just going to do one thing. Now I will make this lighter. Okay, the rocks and everything I will make it light. I will make it light, and now after making it lighter I'm just going to do the lemon yellow fully till where rocks are there. Properly I will do it. Okay, I will not leave any white dots like that. Okay, smoothly I'm going to do it. Now again I will take the light violet and I will spread the light violet like this. The orange shades I'm going to mix it properly. Okay, now I'm going to use the violet color. It's in violet, D451. Okay, violet color. And after violet I'm going to use the light violet. And after light violet I'm going to use the light blue. Okay, light blue. I'm going to use the light blue color. Now I'm going to blend it with the white color. Okay, white. Fully just I'm blending with the white. Properly. Okay, we will blend it with the finger, the top portion, so that it mixed smoothly. Dark violet. Okay, I'm just doing the dark violet. Now after this what I'm going to do, I'm going to take the brilliant blue. Okay, I'm going to take the brilliant blue color. Some lining like that, it's coming from here. I'm using brilliant blue color. Just I'm doing the brilliant blue color. Okay, and after doing brilliant blue I'm going to do the Persian blue. I'm doing the Persian blue. Okay, Persian blue. Just wherever you want, just do the curve linings. Okay, Little bit I will do the black color since sidewise. Okay, it's in black color. Here also I will do the black color side. Okay, sidewise I am doing. Again I will take the Persian blue and I will try to blend the black. With the linings only I am doing, just doing. Okay. Here I will do the black color some. And after doing this, now I'm going to use the light blue. Okay, light blue. I'm not blending fully. Okay, I'm just leaving some white space also, the shiny portion. Okay, like that. And over here also I will use some light blue linings, and then I'm going to take na white color. Okay, white. Here I am going to do some dots. Okay, and light no, I will take brilliant blue dots. Okay, then now with the Persian blue I will do some lining like this, and I will do some dots. Then I will take the white color with the pressure dots with the white. Now I will take the black color. Okay, after this I'm going to use the brilliant blue to blend this. Okay, black. Special rocks are there, na? It's shiny with the blue, na? Rocks are brown or grayish color or black in color. It's like blue in color. So now what I am going to do, see, I will draw on a straight lining first. Okay, sometimes smaller, sometimes bigger, like that. Okay, and here in this now I'm going to write the A shape, continuous A, means A, like this. Okay, A shape means opposite V shape. It will look like that palm tree. Do with light pressure, then you will able to do very thin linings. or else you can do this one with the glass marker also, or else you can do with the 10B pencil also, or normal pencil. It's your choice, it's your wish. So whatever you want you can use it, but better you do with oil pastel. It will be practice for you. You should learn how to do the very thin lines with the oil pastel also. Okay, and now I'm going to do some black circle from here. Okay, border type, and I will shade it little bit from here like this. Then I will now blend it with the white color. Over here also we're going to shade it with the white. One thing, just with the white, just do the dots, okay, with the white. Okay, just do with the white color dots.